Rechargeable Kids Metal Detector Usage Guide. Situation 1. The metal detector does not turn on. Cause analysis through. The battery is dead. Solution. Battery fully charged. Situation 2. The metal detector does not work. Cause analysis E. The plugs are missing or loose. Solution. Install and tighten the nut in the right direction. Cause analysis 2. Turn it on where there's metal. Solution. Point the search coil toward the sky and short press for 1 second to reset. Cause analysis 7. The angle of the search coil sweep is too large. Solution. Sweeping of the search coil parallel to the object to be detected. Situation 7. Continuous beeping. Cause analysis. Environmental interference transformers, cables, signal base stations, etc. Solution. Change the detection environment. Point the search coil toward the sky, and press for 1 second to reset.